welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we have seen how to automate emails. If you haven't seen the video, you can check it in the description box below. In this video, we will get to know all about calling automations, what is power dialing and what is predictive dialing.
Now I will be proceeding towards the calls. So there are three features in the tool. The feature number one is making manual calls, like simply clicking on the call button and making the call. See, and another technique is if I click on the particular lead, I can read what company it is in, what is the website and things like that, name and the title, and then what I can do, I can simply click on the call button. Okay, so these are the two manual techniques how we can do the call. Okay, and if you want to select from which number you want to call, let's say you have multiple numbers, what you have to do, you have to click on call. So this is a manual technique where you will call one by one. Coming to the second, that is power dialing. What you can do is you can select the number before making the call and then you can simply click over here. So what will happen is whenever I click on the call button, the power dialing will initiate and in background, let's say I have been connected to the first person. So I will talk and then I can add status. So how to add status? Let's say this person is not interested. So I will click on not interested and then automatically the second call will be made. And then what will happen? I don't have to manually click on the second call. The tool itself will redirect me to the second call. Let me show you a demo. I will click on call. So this was power dialing, and now what is predictive dialing? If I click on the drop down menu and if I click on manage, you can see here I have got options and I can click on predictive dialing. So what is predictive dialing? In this case, let's assume that I have multiple users who are using this tool. So in that case, if I click on the predictive dialing, what will it do? All the users who are active will be getting calls one by one. So predictive dialing is something like power dialing but with multiple users who are making calls. So it is something like that. So I will turn it on and then if I make calls, start calling, then what will it happen? Here you can see calling at 1x. So the speed is 1x. How many calls are abandoned? 0%. Okay, and the lead which it was calling is this. Let's say we are 5 people. So definitely it will be 5x and 5 people will be called at the same time. So this is what is additional feature in predictive calling. Okay, and coming back to the question that let's say in that case what will be happening. So in that case the additional person who has picked up the call will be getting an abandonment message. So this message is pre-recorded and will be delivered to the person. Meanwhile, some other rep will finish up the call and then transfer to the same person. So let me show you. If I go on settings, you can see here I have phone and voicemail option. If I click here, you will be seeing all the phone numbers that is listed in the tool. Okay, and then you can see pre-recorded voicemail drop. So what is pre-recorded voicemail drop? Let's say I have called a number and the IVR says press 1 to drop a voicemail. So I don't have to manually drop the voicemail. I will simply click on the voicemail button and the voicemail will drop automatically. And by the time the voicemail is being dropped, I will be transferred to the next call. So this is the beauty of this tool. And if I click on dialer, then you can see I have predictive calling abandonment message. So this is what I was talking about earlier in the case of predictive dialing, where I gave an example of, let's say 3 people are calling to clients and then let's say 4 people got connected. In that case, the 4th person will be getting this automated message. So by the time he is hearing this automated message, one of the rep can finish up the call and then jump into this call. So in that case, whenever he will jump, the automated message that is being delivered will be stopped and the person can directly talk to the client. This is what it is all about, calling. So I hope it is clear. We have 3 methods: normal dialing, that is manual dialing, predictive dialing, and power dialing.
If you found this video interesting, you can hop on to the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It motivates a lot. And stay updated for much more informative videos coming your way.